Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. I'm out here showing you the latest updates to the prepper garden. So I'm going to turn this around so I make sure I'm showing you the proper thing on camera. Alrighty, so now I got 8 fruit trees planted. I'm going to go through here and talk about them. Now, this one here is a just forgot the name of it. Something or other Bally. It's Evans Bally, dwarf cherry tree, and it's self-pollinating. And this is another Evans Bally dwarf self-pollinating cherry tree. Over here is a Parker pear tree. So I got a Parker pear here we just finished planting today. And this is a Summer Crisp pear tree. Both these are semi-dwarf. And so make sure I got that right. Yeah, Summer Crisp pear. And the grandkids decided to come out. All right, this is a Alberta peach tree, and so you can see all the peaches here that are already on it. But I'm gonna have to go through and pick all these peaches off because I needed to put all of its energy into roots, not into doing fruit. So I'm gonna have to strip all the fruit off this. Over here is Red Haven, and it also is loaded with a bunch of fruit. So I'm gonna have to strip this off too, so it puts more energy into roots rather than the fruit. And this is a Montrose semi-dwarf apricot here, and I don't see any fruit on it. Now over here is a Chinese apricot, also known as a Mormon apricot, and it has one apricot on it. So since it's just got one on it, I was thinking about leaving it on there because this came in a larger pot. So these are the 8 fruit trees we got in so far. Now, if you notice, you've probably seen the what I got down on the ground here around each one of them. These are the tops that I cut out of the IBC totes over there to open them up. And so what that does is it does a couple things. One, it reflects the heat from the summer sun away from the ground, and it also traps water down in there. So when I water in there, the water spreads out around in the soil, but it doesn't evaporate right away. And when it does start to evaporate, it condenses back on the plastic and drips back down again. So it retains more water that way. And so I got one around each one of the trees here. Now, update over here on the, okay, so this here I got a rainbow chard growing down here. I got the black pot there just to deflect wind from it. I got one rainbow chard there that's doing really good, and 5 Wando peas. I got to get a stake for this one to hold this one here up. Then each one's down here I got 6 more Wando peas growing down here. All right, now these 2 here were short ones like those there, and you can see where the it was cut off. Well, I took the dirt out, pulled out the short one, and replaced it with a tall one that did not have a cage. And Then I put the dirt back in that one. Then I moved the short one that was here out of here and just put one of the tall ones that I picked up from my neighbor and put it in there. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one here. I'm going to take the dirt out of it, pull the plastic out, and use that liner right over there and put it in there. This one here is just sitting here temporary to hold the boards back, so when I pull that one out, so the dirt doesn't collapse down in. So, and then once I get this one taken care of, then I will go ahead and put all the dirt into the new liner, and I'll take that out of here. Now for both that one over there where the cage is cut off and this one here, I will put a 2x6 around the top, and I'll show you one of those later. So, and I may have a couple more ones that I may change out a couple of these out for as well, and put these over on the driveway to move around over there. Now, so because I got 4 IBC totes here, another one down over there behind Eli, and so I got 5 totes here, and then I got 3 more out by the thing. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll probably I'll replace all 6 of those. And then I got another one, big tote out there that is a 330 gallon, not a 275, and that's going to be for rain. That's going to go over by that downspout there. So I'll be able to do the boysenberries here. Now I picked up yesterday 4 of these busing trays that were full of strawberries for free, and then of these here, this one here is starting to sprout back. That one there is starting to sprout back, and that one there is sprouting. I'm waiting to see if any of these others will sprout. So I got at least 3 of them that are sprouting, and we'll see what goes on. I thought there was 4, but I don't know. It just kind of went away. So it may have failed or gotten bit by a cutworm. Look at it, Daniel.
It went away.
All right, so out here, some of those short ones, when I replace them, will come out here for different things. So on the strawberries here, I have 2 that had survived the winter, and then the others here, there, and there were some of the ones that I got for free. I got 9 Grand Rapids lettuce growing here. Then out over here, I got another tote I got to add some more compost to, but I got 9 more strawberries in here. Then I got 5 golden zucchini out there, and 14 short stuffed sunflowers planted out there. Over here, let's get over here. I got 3 more IBC totes as well, and then I got that are full that I can cut the tops out of. I got another one here to finish filling up from the compost pile out there. I got a rainbow chard that I transplanted last night, and it's the heat is just really hot this now. And this is the largest of the cabbage, and this is the garlic. This one here started to come up, and it stopped. That one there, it's like something ate on it, and something's been eating on a couple of these others here. I've already killed 1 cutworm that was up here, so I haven't been able to find another cutworm. So anyways, But the way the 2x6s are on that one, that's what I'm going to do to a couple of ones in back. If I just for the two liners, I'm going to be replacing. So that way the sides will be kept in shape. So that's what I have right now. I got another tote there to fill up with compost as well. So that's what I got there. Oh, there's one other tree here I want to show you guys. It's a bare root that came from Stark Brothers, and unlike the one that's in the house, this one these idiots here went and cut off the end buds on most of the branches here, and the root stock was cut way back. I mean, the longest piece of decent sized root was 3 3/4 of an inch, and it was, that's about the size of my little finger, and they cut it back short so it's about as long as my little finger, which is utterly stupid. I finally, after sending them photos and everything, showing the scratch test, they refunded it. But someone else there screwed up and said, "Oh, we sent a replacement out, but we're still going to refund it since you wanted the refund." So, but if it comes the same way, I'll do a video of if the roots on it are the same way. We'll see whether or not it survives. I seriously don't think this is going to survive, even though I've been trying to take as good care of it as I can. But that's what we got out here for the prepper garden so far. Also, all these other stakes here, of course, have butternut squash on them. And I got 3 pumpkins down along there, and I got 5 more pumpkins to bring out here and plant in between the trees out there. So, and I got a bunch of cantaloupe inside too to bring out here. So hopefully this will be producing food for the summer, and next spring the trees will be producing a lot better. Oh, one of the things that I want to show you on these trees, the 2 cherry trees, they put a piece of corrugated plastic around it, and that's to keep the trunk from getting scalded, but going between hot and cold, as early spring comes out, and it would have done that. So these others, I have it's sort of like styrofoam, but it's soft, flexible. It's got a different name to it. I can't remember what it is. But I'll be wrapping those up to the first branch on every one of these other trees here, and that way in the spring the sap won't flow, because the white styrofoam wrap will reflect the heat away from the trunk, so the trunks will not heat up. So that's what's going on with the prepper garden. And just want to remind everybody, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And remember, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Plant a garden and learn a new skill.